Hi everyone, my name is Crystal Marie Higgins and I cannot say enough positive, amazing things about Kami McBride's Healing Herbal Oils course. I learned an incredible amount about how to make oils in a way that's super potent and very medicinal. If you can see here, I actually have an example of two oils. This oil, the one that's darker, this amazing oil right here, is actually a calendula oil that I made using Kami's methods. And the other one, the lighter one, is an oil that I made, a calendula oil, before Kami McBride's course. So you can see the difference and how potent the calendula is after I learned all the amazing knowledge that Kami just effortlessly gives everyone in the class versus what I did before, which was fine but not nearly as potent. And I've been really thrilled to be able to share these oils with the world. I actually, ever since the course, I've been doing herbalism courses as well as Kami's course, and I actually launched an seasonal herbal box featuring several of the herbal oils that I learned how to make from Kami. So I'm incredibly grateful and I cannot recommend this course enough. If you have any interest in creating really highly medicinal, potent herbal oils for yourself, for your loved ones, and it's amazing how it's actually not that complicated to make incredible herbal medicine that is much better than anything that I've ever seen in the stores. So I highly recommend it if you're at all interested. I actually have been making lavender oils, as I said, calendula. I'm going to make a St. John's wort oil soon. I've also been making really potent mugwort oils, plantain, all kinds of things, comfrey. It's incredible, and the sky is the limit. So do it, don't delay, and wishing you all well. Bye-bye. Thanks, Kami.